Looking for a rugged multi-sport watch that does it all? The Garmin Fenix 7 might just be your ultimate outdoor companion. Design and build. The Garmin Fenix 7 continues the rugged tradition of its predecessors. It's built like a tank, with a fiber-reinforced polymer case, stainless steel or titanium bezel, and a Gorilla Glass or sapphire crystal display depending on the model. Display and touchscreen. The big upgrade in the Fenix 7 series? Touchscreen support. Yes, Garmin finally added a responsive touchscreen alongside the traditional button controls. It's a game changer for map navigation and quick menu access. Performance and battery life. One of the Fenix 7's biggest strengths is battery life. Up to 18 days in smartwatch mode. Up to 57 hours in GPS mode. And with the solar additions, you can stretch that even further, up to 22 days in smartwatch mode and 73 hours in GPS. This is where it blows away most competitors like the Apple Watch Ultra. Performance-wise, the new multiband GNSS support ensures improved GPS accuracy, especially in tough environments like canyons or dense forests. Smart features and apps. The Fenix 7 supports smart notifications, music storage, Spotify, Deezer, Amazon Music, Garmin Pay, and even basic apps through Garmin Connect IQ. Overall, is the Garmin Fenix 7 worth it? If you're an adventurer, endurance athlete, or just someone who wants elite-level tracking, unmatched battery life, and durable build quality, the Fenix 7 is best. Thank you so much.